eyes. Tyrannosaurs would have had an extremely large retina over which they could collect those photons.
Collecting more photons gives the brain more visual information to interpret, more detail about its surroundings. And something else about those eyes is crucial for an apex hunter.
A Tyrannosaurus' eyes were quite high up, and therefore they always had a very tall perspective on the world and can see great distances. For them, the horizon was very, very far away.
T-Rex can distinguish fine visual detail as far away as 4 miles. That's about 6 times further than we can see. Its hearing as well is a significant advantage for a hunter.
What we see in the inner ear of T-Rex is a hearing organ that's long and suggests that hearing was very important to T-Rex.
Called the cochlea, it's a hollow cone-shaped tube filled with liquid. This tube vibrates in response to sound waves. Thousands of tiny hair-like cells detect this movement, then send electrical signals to the brain. The cochlea in a Tyrannosaurus rex is almost an inch long, meaning it can pick up a wide range of frequencies.
It was able to actually hear very low frequency sounds, and so something even off in the distance was going to be within its perceptive world.
It doesn't want to hear the peeping and piping of little birds around there because they're not going to be something it eats. But if it's hearing the infrasound grunts of a Triceratops, that's what it wants to hear, because that sound is going to mean that's where lunch is.
A battle with Triceratops is more often than not a death match. This herbivore hasn't evolved into a Sherman tank for nothing.
Now, as a Tyrannosaur specialist, I don't like to admit this, but in that situation, the Triceratops probably won, and it probably won on a regular basis.
It looks as if this battle will end in a draw. The barbarian of the Cretaceous walks away empty-handed. Because T-Rex are warm-blooded, they need to maintain their body temperature. This means consuming huge amounts of energy, over 1 million calories every week. That's 1,500 pounds of raw meat. Quite a few kills, even for a super predator. But maybe T-Rex scores a meal some other way. Maybe Tyrannosaurus Rex has the guts to steal a kill from a rival carnivore.
The reality is it's got all the tools of a predator, and those tools of a predator serve a scavenger equally well.
One of those tools is its nose, the most sensitive found on any carnivorous dinosaur.
I can tell you that that good sense of smell was awesome for finding carcasses, and when it did, it ate those carcasses.
A dead Triceratops. Another predator's kill? For Tyrannosaurus Rex, scavenging comes with substantial risk. Muscling in on someone else's dinner can end badly. Very badly. But a T-Rex can take on almost any other meat eater, even another T-Rex. And when it's Tyrannosaur versus Tyrannosaur, it's winner take all.
Cannibalism in nature doesn't seem to be a matter of pleasure. It's a matter of business.
T-Rex meat is T-Rex food as well. You know, it's protein. It's something that will help that individual survive to the next kill.
Attacking a T-Rex seems like suicide. But that may only be true if you're something other than another Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Cannibalism is the rule. It's not the exception. If you're a carnivore and there's meat there, you take advantage of it.
In fact, paleontologists have found ample evidence of cannibalism in the bones of these giants.
We find tooth marks on the bones of T-Rex and parts of the bones missing on the T-Rex, and clearly they were eaten by another T-Rex. There's nothing else that could have bitten those bones in half.
Tyrannosaurus Rex is powerful and intelligent, but it's slow, lumbering, and ponderous. A predator who at times must even scavenge to survive. The age of dinosaurs, though, is all about adaptation. And for one carnivorous killer, survival